My name is Cheyanne Matulewich, and I did my project on lightning and fractals. So when people usually talk about lightning, they don't know that it's a lot of different branches that branch off. It's not just one bolt that hits the ground. But lightning is also a fractal. So what is a fractal? A fractal is a never-ending pattern. It's a repeating pattern in an ongoing loop. So it just repeats itself until it terminates on the ground. That's why lightning is a good example. When we look at fractal geometry, there is a scientist called Matulewich. We owe most of his tremendous work ethic to the development of fractals because he made up these equations and he devoted most of his life to the science and math. Another significant part of fractals is leaders. Leaders are electrically conducted channels of partially ionized gas that travel away from a region of densely charged, which is just a thundercloud, which is a dense charge. So lightning is a dielectric breakdown of gases which occurs when some region of the atmosphere attains a sufficiently large electric field. And that's what happens when lightning occurs because we're having so much electrons in the air forming together to make a cloud. So when we look at lightning, we see the isocomplex quadratic polynomial. These equation right here is used to see if it is a fractal and how it is affected. But to use the Euclidean structures, this man Euclidean, he made these two mathematical equations to signify what fractals are. So with knowing the dimension, the lightning, and the length of a fractal lightning, we can see how it repeats itself and where it can go. Lightning can also be created in a laboratory. It's called the Lynchburg figure. So it's stimulated lightning. They use a particle accelerator, and then they rapidly discharge that particle accelerator. And it's in an acrylic glass, so it's staying there forever. It's really pretty. These two figures are examples of cloud structure. So scientists use this huge balloon. It has a radio and a computer in it. They put it into the air when a thunderstorm is happening, and it measures the length of the lightning and how big it'll be, and the dimension of it. So when I first started lightning, I used to think lightning, well, I still think that lightning is a beautiful thing, but I didn't know how much math was behind it. So looking into lightning as a geometry fractal, you realize that everything around you has something to do with math, and lightning is just one type of fractal in the atmosphere. Thank you. Any questions?